May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you?
I am fine.
Are you comfortable?
Yes,
Shall we begin the interview?
by all means.
Okay. Let's get started. This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Saturday, the 7th November 2020 at Hotel Hilton. Center number KL75567. The candidate is Vaibhav Gulati and the candidate number is 734345. The examiner is Ashwini Saini and the examiner number is 9256735. I'll begin with the introductory part where I'll ask you some question about your life. Okay? So firstly tell me your full name.
My full name is Vaibhav Gulati.
How may I call you?
You may address me by my first name, Vaibhav.
Vaibhav, can I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, Vaibhav.
Thank you.
Vaibhav, are you a student or you work somewhere?
Well, I am a student currently and passed my 10+2 grade from Delhi Public School, Karnal, and from commerce background.
Okay, Vaibhav, now I'll ask you some questions about movies. Do you like watching movies?
Well, since I am a full-time student and don't have a lot of free time, and in my leisure time I used to love to see movies, especially documentaries and short movies.
Okay. How has your preference of movies changed since childhood?
Well, in my childhood I like rhythm songs or rhythm movies and mostly the poem movies. As in this modern era, I like the action movies and the motivational too.
Okay. Do you prefer watching films at home or at cinema?
Well, I prefer to watch movies in theater that because of all the good quality of every pixel of each image, and moreover it has surrounded by a silence that even individual can easily watch the movie in a particular way.
Okay. How often do you watch films or go to cinema?
Well, as mentioned, I have not have a leisure time. As on the weekends, I used to go with my family members in the theater to watch a short movie or a motivational one.
Do people go to cinema and theaters frequently in your hometown?
In my point of view, my neighbors or in my the people of my area usually go in theaters only on the weekends, as because of their hectic schedule, and moreover they not have a lot of free time for their family members even, and so they prefer to go on weekends, especially on Sunday and Saturday.
Okay, Vaibhav, now I'll ask you a couple of questions about music. Do you like listening to music?
Well, I like music, especially English one, and moreover in the leisure time I usually listen to music. As in the evening I go to garden and having a motivated song, so it's all suspected by me.
Has the music that you listen to changed since you were young or you were a child?
Well, there are a lot of changes in my childhood to my past generation. As in my childhood, I like the rhythm and the poem songs, mostly having the comic songs. And in this modern era, in this lifestyle, I love to have Bollywood songs and love to listen the rap songs.
Do you play any musical instrument?
When I was in class 8th grade, I used to play guitar and the Casio, which I like the most. And when I was in 10th grade, so I have keen interest to learn more skills on the sitar.
Okay, Vaibhav, this is the end of your speaking test part 1. Let's move on to part 2. It's a cue card. You have 1 minute to make notes, then you have to speak from 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? So your cue card is: tell about a shopping website you often use, what it is, how often you use it, why it is better than others. Your time starts now. Okay, Vaibhav, speak up.
Well, India is a diverse country, and in India there are a lot of shopping complex and the shopping website that has a really impact on the environment and on the human life. Here I would like to talk about a shopping website that I like the most and admire to my friends. That is Amazon. It is very good in purchasing, and it shows a variety of different clothes, different varieties of sizes, and many products are even have a discount on them, and they can easily be purchased by the online credit cards and online e-shopping methods. And moreover, it also has a COD, that is cash on delivery method, and I use this app frequently in a couple of days in a particular month, and I usually uses this app to buy products like groceries, my clothes, and more important valuable things from this site. And even this site is so amazing that it has a fast delivery shipment option that encourages people to purchase more, and even it has a more advertisement level so that each and every corner where people live can have a benefit of it. And as mentioned before, this having a lot of varieties, lot of sizes, different sizes, lot of colors, and it has also a filter option that is used for the particular occasion or ceremonies. And that's the shopping website that I like the most, and I prefer to admire to my friends as well.
Okay, let's move on to part 3. I'll ask you some follow-up questions, okay? What effects has the internet had on the way people generally communicate with each other?
Well, internet has a very diverse effect on the human life, as sitting on the other corner of the other country, we can easily communicate with others having their different opinion regarding their culture and tradition. Moreover, we can have a lot of information from internet, and nowadays people prefer social networking site like website for their purchasing level.
Why do you think that internet is being used more now?
Well, I think that internet has a lot of various other options, so that each and every age group has is using online shopping or website to gain more knowledge, to have a tendency to know about the human effect on the environment, and more globally it is used at the community level.
How reliable do you think information on the internet is?
Well, I think that it is, every information that is not reliable on the internet, as the internet have a tendency to take a simple line or a talk to very high level to its peak, even that it cannot be. And moreover, internet the information sometimes be very beneficial for others to know the current affairs and the modern equipments.
Some people use the internet for shopping. Why does not everyone use it in this way?
Well, in my point of view, as I am a shopaholic person, and as I am using this online shopping since the corona pandemic, as in the corona pandemic, I have my sick opinion to purchase online rather than going to the shops. And in the nowadays, not everyone want that online shopping is good for them, as they think that online products are not original and could not be placed at their homes.
What kind of things are easy to buy and sell online? Can you give me some examples?
Well, it's difficult to say that online did not access to many products, as each and every product is sell out online, and customer can easily purchase them by having a lot of discount on the varieties. As in the Diwali offer, people are preferring to go outside for their shopping, and I think that nowadays it is more reliable for them.
So how do you see the future of online shopping market?
Well, I think that online market has a very bright future in the upcoming days, as we are seeing the corona effect on each and every life has declined. I think that internet surfers or internet customers are operating more in future, so that they can be feel ease to operate any particular thing or to gain any knowledge, and moreover to shop for their particular product.
With the progress of e-commerce industry, there are more number of cybercrime cases. So do you think there will be more frauds in futures?
Well, I think that online shopping or online website have many pros and cons, as I think that online somehow have done many frauds to the people and the youth of the city, youth of this nation, as they think that online fraud can be very easy for them to capture particular information, and they can hack their bank account too. And I think that in future it will be increased and swelled up its proportion by having a lot of frauds. And somehow I think that government should take a correct decision for them to avoid it.
Okay, Vaibhav, this is the end of your speaking interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.